getting to the end. There was a lady who lost her husband, and she went to collect insurance cover. And in the report of the coroner, the husband died of eating contaminated mushrooms. It was processed and she was paid. She was a very lucky lady. After 2 years, she had remarried. A year later, she lost her second husband. And the coroner's report was that the husband had eaten contaminated mushrooms. She was paid insurance, and she went away. Lucky woman. Within a year, she got a third husband. A year later, he died. And the coroner returned a verdict that he had died of a cracked skull. So her lawyer asked her, how come the first one died of eating contaminated mushrooms? The second one, contaminated mushrooms? How come the third died of a cracked skull? She said, because he refused to eat the mushrooms. Allow me to invite my brother Reggie to come and address us, and thereafter invite His Excellency the President to give us a keynote address. Don't feed anybody with contaminated mushrooms, and don't crack anybody's skull.
Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya, Dr. William Ruto, Your Excellency, the First Lady, Mama Richu Ruto, our keynote speaker, Lord Hastings, members of Parliament, the speakers of the National Assembly,